In order to fix out of sync on Prime Video, restart your streaming device first and router as well. Then go ahead and update the Prime Video app and clear the app's cache and reinstall it. On Fire TV, use the AV Sync turning tool in the device settings to manually adjust the audio delay. And if the issue persists, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device firmware is up to date. Check HDMI cable connections and contact the Amazon Prime support. Also, restart your device and router and unplug your streaming device and internet router. Wait for 30 seconds and then plug back them in to refresh the connection. If nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Prime Video application from your device or any other platform. So this was all about it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.